This video is about HSIL stock analysis. This is the complete analysis of HSIL stock. Okay, that is Hindustan Sanitary Ware and Industries Limited stock analysis we will do in this video. So this company is a manufacturer of products including water closets, wash basins and faucets, bathtubs, showers, etc. And now let's start our analysis on this stock. Okay, here is the analysis. Here you can see the yellow lines are the support and resistance. Okay, so these blue lines are the pattern, that is support and resistance lines. This also, this is the resistance line, this blue line, this is the resistance line, this is the support zone, support line, and this is also resistance line. Okay, here you can see the pattern. After breaking out these levels, it can go up to 14% up movement, that is 30 rupees up movement can be seen in the stock. So here the breakout has been seen, that is the at 22nd October. Okay, breakout has been seen Friday. So the stock can go up to 30.45. so the stock can go up to this much nearby, that is 273.80. now the stock is at 252.40 rupees. The stock has been closed. So the stock can go up to 273 based on this pattern. Okay, based on this pattern also same, here already achieved, half not fully achieved in this pattern, but up to here is chances are there, easily it can go. Okay, up to 273. now it's at 252. Okay, this is the analysis based on the pattern. This is the pattern, ascending triangle pattern. You can see this is the ascending triangle pattern, and breakout has been happened here, and another pattern here happened. So targets are up to here, that is 273.80, and it can go on upside or upside movement can be seen based on the ascending triangle. It's bullish sign. Okay, so it can go upside one by one, breaking out these resistance and supports. Okay, the yellow lines are support and resistances. After breaking of yellow line, it will become support. Here it's resistance, you can see here rejected. So it will go upside. The movement can continue upside by breaking each of every resistances. Upside movement can be seen. So this is the nearby high, so it can reach up to 279 also after this target, after 273. Not this you can see this 273. After 273 it can go up to these levels, you can expect 281 nearby. Okay, then so on it will break one by one resistances and it will go upside, movement can be seen. Okay, and I will show you full chart of this HSIL stock, that is Hindustan Sanitary Ware Industries Limited. You can see the high of the stock is 539 rupees, that is at 561 rupees at 27th November 2017, and it has been fallen down. Okay, so it can go up to these levels again, possibility is there. It takes long term for that. Okay, you can take a screenshot of the resistance and support levels shown on the screen. Okay, complete analysis. 25 is the low of this. Okay, you can take a screenshot here. All levels are support and resistance levels are covered in this. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. This is the end of the HSCL HSIL stock analysis.